This John L. Scott, Salem property video is presented by dannyh. 3,600 square feet, 6-bedroom, 3-bath home on 13.39 acres in rural Columbia County. Many amenities in this well-maintained home include hardwood floors, 3 cozy fireplaces, gas furnace, custom woodwork, and a second kitchen in the basement for holiday cooking or summer canning. The property is zoned Rural Residential 5, featuring a LRG shop, irrigation well, covered RV parking, room for gardens, pastures, livestock, peaceful walking and riding trails, and it has development opportunity which allows for an addl home on property. For more information, review the details below or contact dannyh at 503-585-0100.